All of my life, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, like a river.
Well, they've definitely gone with the period detail, haven't they? With the beautiful architrave, that gorgeous ceiling rose.
And a beautiful long runner.
Which leads your eye all the way down.
It's very classy.
Very simple, very elegant. They've allowed the period details just to speak for themselves.
Who would have thought cream could be chic?
But it is. It's that cream colour with white with the black accents. It actually feels really serene.
Neil then wondered, is it cream or is it the colour ivory? For Shana, it didn't matter either way because
Vanilla sums it all up.
Is that just the new cop-out for calling someone boring, or what does vanilla mean? I mean, I'm gonna have to look that up. Do you reckon the dictionary would tell me what vanilla means?
I think you're spot on, mate. I think she was calling it boring.
Yeah.
This is a space that probably could have been held with colour, get us to that division between the old and the new.
Darren was having none of this.
The elegance of that simple palette is why it works for me.
Neil landed somewhere in the middle of the two.
Because I do see the elegance, the chicness that you've mentioned, Darren. But like Shana, I would have loved to have seen some colour. It's undercooked. I mean, there's an opportunity for more art. You know, there could have been something beautiful here on the wall too. Yeah, it's a bit bland.
Shana has seen a lot of wallpaper graphics in this block, and I'm afraid to say this wasn't one of her favourites.
It is pampas grass, which isn't in keeping really for 30s.
She feels it would be more suited to a bedroom than a public space in your house. Neil was wondering if you were perplexed on how to fill the spaces this week.
You know, there's a fine line, isn't there, between minimalism and just being bland.
Standing here, you see this part and that part, completely two different houses.
Yeah.
But Darren disagreed once again.
Hello, Frida. It's a lovely piece.
It is.
Again, understated and elegant. I like it.
He loved the lighting scheme
Look how lovely, look how beautiful that is.
Yeah.
and thinks that the stair rails are spot on. For him, the whole area presents as classic, elegant and chic. At this point, Neil found the most beautiful detail he had seen so far.
I love the way those shears play to the light, and I love the way they echo what's happening on the door to the secret storage area.
But overall, Neil was feeling frustrated as this was your last chance to really sell the interior of your home, and he wasn't feeling it today like you have done before.
But that buyer coming in the door and just looking down here, it feels ordinary. Sell to me. You know, I know that this has been a massive week and they have so much to complete, but don't drop the ball at the last hurdle. Just sell to me. Sell me this beautiful house.
Yeah.
And this isn't doing it.
We're trying our bloody best to create a home that we love.
Yeah.
You know, it's hard.
You did, however, do enough for him in the powder room.
Oh, now this is more like it.
Hey, lover, will you blow my cover? 'Cause I'm not myself. I'm not myself. I wake up in the middle of the night and I look like a stranger in the bathroom light.
This is a room that delivers, for him, the simple elegance that Darren had been admiring throughout.
Is it possible that perhaps that simplicity runs through all the spaces and I'm just the only one that can see it?
No, not at all.
Wouldn't you like that to be the case?
No,
No, Darren, I don't think so.
Burn.
And behind him, he loved the artwork and couldn't believe it had been painted by Deb.
That's my favourite one today, thus far.
Darren once again liked everything about this area, but reckons the metal bowl on the console table can go back
To the $10 clearance bin it came from.
And now we go into this expansive laundry. Like, this is a pretty good size.
I ride it like a wave. I ride it. I'm down for whatever it takes me. I ride it like.
This room also put a smile back on Neil's face.
Here, I feel there's a confidence. It's like we know what we're doing in here, whereas I read we've lost our way out there in the hallway.
We've watched many seasons of The Block, and Luke and Tess last year got told they were vanilla the whole way through, if that's how you want to call it, and yet they smoked it at the end goal. So just stay true and keep working hard to where you want to be.
That's it.
Thank you. Well done, bud.